It's your girl Saya. Today I am back with another bang video. Today I am going to be unboxing my pink iPad, y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all. But first, y'all, want to say Merry Christmas, y'all. Today is Christmas. It's Christmas Day, and I just want to say that I hope everybody's safe, everybody got what they needed or what they wanted. And before we get into this video, make sure I like, comment, subscribe. Make sure I go follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. It'll be on the screen. And yeah, I have like 2 more videos I plan on dropping in the next couple of days, but right now we're gonna go ahead and get this video out the way. So when I tell y'all, and disclaimer, I don't want to brag, I just been seeing a lot of people unbox their iPads, so I'm like, okay, why not I do it, you know? So yes, y'all, I'm not bragging, I just want to show everybody what I got. This is the bag it came in. So my stepdad went to the store and bought it, so that's why it's not in the box or whatever. But we're first going to start off with the case. So he got me a blue case, which is fine, I can use it for right now, but I plan on getting another case because, yeah. I'll show it to y'all. I'll put it on for right now. because I don't want to like break it. So I'll put it on until I get me a new case. But it's actually pretty cute. And it has like a little clear part on the back. Yeah. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Oh, okay. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing of this iPad, y'all. Don't mind all that, y'all. That's all my Christmas gifts and stuff. And I got a lot to put up. But this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's actually pretty big. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually pretty big. Like, what the world? It's bigger than my head. This is bigger than my head, y'all. So I be seeing people, they peel off this little part in the bag, you know. Satisfying. Let me show it to y'all. Yeah. So let me go ahead. Y'all, when I tell y'all, and this iPad will really be helpful with YouTubing and also with phone storage, but I'm not going to connect it to my phone. I'm just going to like re-download some apps on here because I don't want it to be connected to my phone. Dang, our girl is struggling. Ooh, y'all. Oh my gosh, this just looks so beautiful. And I ain't even peeled it off. Hold on. This is the box. Let me just see what's in here. Oh, okay. It came with a little charger. About time. I mean, if there was some AirPods in here, that would be great too. Y'all see it? And yeah, that's the charger, which I don't know how much percentage it's at, but here it go right here. This is the back of it. And we're gonna go ahead and start peeling it off. Look, hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get like that satisfying mode. Ooh. Y'all see it. Quit playing with us. Hold on, y'all see it. Ooh, wait a minute. Okay, at first I thought on the back of it said my name. Y'all, this is pretty. Hold on, I'm gonna do another thumbnail. Alright, y'all. This is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at that. I'm already getting fingerprints on it. Look at that. Hold on. That is so cute. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to scoot up so I can show y'all everything that I'm doing. First, y'all, it's turning on. It's turning on. Yeah, y'all see it. This is actually like pretty big. Like, baby, I'm going to need full secure. And I know I need to give me a... Alright, y'all. This is what it looks like. Alright, y'all. So... this is the iPad. It says hello. It is so cute. I'm going to slide up. I'm going to click English, United States. Hold on, y'all. Can y'all see? Can y'all see what's going on? It says set up manually. I'm going to connect our Wi-Fi. Hold on. This is fire. Like, hold on. Wait a minute. This is fire. Y'all, I'm so excited, but I'm trying my best to calm down. But, y'all, so it says it's going to take me a few minutes to activate it, your iPad, which it really doesn't take that long. But y'all, while we talk, we're gonna talk, y'all. We're gonna talk for a minute. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if y'all asked for this iPad too. I'm just excited for everybody else that got it. Like, what the world? See, okay. So I'm gonna click continue. I'm trying my best, like, so I'm gonna set up my little fingerprint thing right here. A girl trying to think like, huh? Oh, okay. All right, yeah. I created this password and y'all don't know. But I'm not gonna transfer anything. I'm just gonna start fresh and new. Oh, I'm gonna create a new Apple ID. I'm trying my best to show y'all, but it's like making me put in my name and my last name. So it's making me put in my birthday and stuff. So I just created me a new Apple ID. I'm gonna put my password in. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So this is me updating my iCloud settings. Alright, y'all. It said 94%, so we good to go. I don't even have to charge it. But y'all, let's look at this. Hold on. It says keep your iPad up to date. Okay, we'll enable that in a minute. Set up later. Sure, continue. I don't know if y'all can see what's going on. I'm trying to show y'all with me. We'll set that up later. I don't care about all that. We said don't share. I want some light. Welcome to the iPad Get Started, y'all. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. This is big. This is big, y'all. This is extreme. Look, hold on. I'm trying to show y'all. Let me show y'all. This is like a big old laptop. So here go like my messages and everything. Okay. Here go my settings. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me see what this camera quality is talking about. Let's see what this camera quality is talking about. Okay. Because, yeah. Oh, okay. This is some nice camera quality. Look at this. Hold on. Y'all can't really tell, but this is actually pretty good. And I'm going to start using this. I'm trying to show y'all stuff, but I'm trying to look myself. So I just took that picture on accident. But let me swipe at all this stuff. And that's really it. Like, there's really not that much to show. But I do plan on, once I get my iPad looking cute, I'll do a what's on my iPad video. And yeah, like, that's really the end of this video. I just wanted to show y'all how it looked, what it came with. Like I said, it came with this, and it came with a charger. Don't play with us. Like I said, I'm just gonna put this on until I get me a new case, but because I really don't want to drop it. Even though it don't really match, you know, the tablet is pink and this case is blue, but I don't really care. Oh. Let's put it in there, y'all. This is so shocking right now. Ooh. Like I say, it don't really match, but hey, it's still cute. Quit playing with us. And like I say, I'm gonna get me a screen protector because, yeah, this is the FaceTime stuff. Like, I could connect my phone to this, but I don't want my messages sending all on here. So yeah, like I said, let's go ahead and put this up. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it because this was like my first time opening it, so I'm all excited, y'all. But y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Y'all go follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, and make sure y'all type hashtag #ZyBabies in the gang. So next time in my video, you can get a shout out. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.